Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the construct LL1 grammar. So S tends to open bracket L close bracket slash A, L tends to L comma S by S. So we are going to construct LL1 grammar. So when you construct LL1 grammar, in the step 1, what we have to do, we need to check is there any error, is there any left recursion as well as left factoring. So we need to check left factoring as well as left recursion. So remember what is mean by left recursion. Suppose if the given production is in the form of A tends to A alpha by beta, then we can say this grammar is in left recursion. If the grammar is in left recursion, then what is the possible solution for this one? This is A tends to beta, A dash as well as A dash tends to alpha, A dash by epsilon. So this is a formula we need to apply. So in the construction of LL1 grammar, first we must check left recursion is there, left factoring is there. If left recursion is there, so what is the form? A tends to A alpha by beta. Then we can say A tends to beta A dash tends to alpha A dash by epsilon. So let us see in the given production is there any left recursion is there or not. So now you can see the productions are given. S tends to open bracket L close bracket slash A. So in this production, is there any left recursion we have? Now we need to apply the formula. The formula is here. A tends to A alpha by beta. In this is called as A. This is called as A. So this whole thing is called as alpha. Now you remember here this point must be same. But if you see here I have S, here I have open bracket. Hence we can say this problem is not in left recursion problem, left recursion. So this production is not in left recursion. But when I say L tends to L comma S by S. Now you see, if you see here, this is called as A, this is called as A, and this whole thing is called as, this is called as A. So it is also called as A. Then we can say this is called as alpha, this is called as beta. So according to the left recursion problem, A tends to A alpha beta, this is there. Now you see A tends to A alpha, L tends to L comma S by beta. So now this is called as L, L is called as A, this is called as alpha, this is called as a beta. Now what is the solution for this L tends to L comma S by S? So what is the answer? A tends to beta A dash. In the given problem, A is L tends to beta. So what is the value of beta in this problem? This is here we are going to have beta is here S. This is beta. Now A dash means L dash. So now you can see next one A dash is L dash. Alpha means the given value is comma S. So I can say comma S. So A dash means L dash by epsilon. Now this is called as the problem without recursion. So remember, first you must eliminate the recursion. So this is the new production what we have after eliminating the recursion, left recursion. So remember, there are two things. First one is called as left recursion. Second one is called as left factoring. What is mean by left recursion? If the production is in the form of A tends to A alpha, means left side and right side value must be same. So left side, right side value must be same. When it is the same, then you must follow A tends to beta A dash. Beta means after slash value. After slash we have S is there. A dash means L dash will come. So this is the final answer after eliminating the left recursion. So remember the given production is S tends to open bracket L close bracket slash A. So first we must write the S tends to open L close bracket slash A. So L tends to L comma S by S. We should not write this one because it contains the left recursion. So after eliminating the left recursion, we received here L tends to S L dash. L dash tends to comma S L dash epsilon. So this is called as the production. We are going to perform this elimination of after completion of this elimination of left recursion, we received this one. Now what is mean by left factoring? So this is about the left factoring. What is left factoring? If you observe production something like A tends to alpha beta 1 slash alpha beta 2 means if you get the production alpha alpha, so after slash, so first value is same, this value is same. So if you see here, there is no production which contains the left factoring. Hence, we go for now construction of LL1 parsing table. So you need to remove left recursion as well as left factoring. As for given production, there is a left recursion is there. We eliminated, but there is no left factoring. Now I am going to find out the first and follow. In order to construct the first and follow, so you must write the all the productions in sequence. S tends to open L slash A. L tends to S L dash. L dash tends to comma S L dash by epsilon. So now you see there are three productions are there. So now what we are going to do, we are going to find out the first and follow. So you see here I am going to construct first as well as follow. So we are going to construct first and follow. So we are going to construct now first as well as follow. Now you can see when you construct first, what you have to do. So we are going to construct the first now. First of S, first of L, first of L dash. First of S is open bracket. Remember here first of S is after arrow we have open bracket is there. Again slash. Slash means in this we have two productions. First production is S tends to open bracket L close bracket as well as S tends to A. So S tends to open bracket is first value as well as A is also the first value of this production. Now first of L is first of S, but we should not write capital letters here. What is the value of S again? S value is open and A. Open bracket and A. Next one. What is the first of L dash, comma, epsilon, comma, epsilon. So this is all about the first value. Now we go for follow value. So we are going to construct the follow of S. So how to construct follow of S. Now you can see follow of S. So when you find the follow of S, you must check where is the follow, where is the S in the following productions. So now we are here. We are going to find the follow of S. So in the right side, where is the S? Yes, I have here S. Here I have S. So follow of S means after S, what you have. So follow of S is first of L dash. After S, we have L dash is there. So follow of S is first of L dash. So first of L dash, what we have? Comma is there. Okay. So as well as epsilon is there. Epsilon. So we should not write epsilon in this. We should not write epsilon in the follow. Just to substitute this epsilon in place of L dash. So when you substitute epsilon here, the value of this one is what is going to be happen. So here when you substitute the value of this follow of S. So here the follow of S is okay. So now we are finding the follow of S. So follow of S is first of L dash. So first of L dash is comma epsilon. You write comma as it is. Then you substitute epsilon in place of L dash. So here follow of L dash is, so when you substitute epsilon in place of L dash will be vanished. So now follow of this L dash is follow of L. Follow of L dash is follow of L. So we don't know the follow of L. Now I will find the follow of L here. So follow of L is after L. What we have? Follow of L is close bracket. So follow of L is close bracket. Follow of L is close bracket. So next. Now, so we completed this L, but follow of S is, what is follow of S? Follow of S is first of L dash. So first of L dash is what we call this comma epsilon. So we must write comma here. So epsilon substitute in place of L dash. Now what is the value of this one? Follow of L dash is, this L dash will be vanished because of epsilon. Follow of L dash is follow of L. So follow of L is close bracket comma. Remember always first value should have dollar. So this is all about the finding the S. Next one, we are going to find the follow of L dash here. So what is the follow of L dash? So follow of L dash is, so now here we are. So follow of L dash is follow of okay. Now we'll find the value of follow of L dash. So here follow of L dash means we need to check where is the L dash in the right side of the production. If you see here, I have right side of the production is L dash. Now follow of L dash is, we don't know the value of L dash after. So what you have to do, just you come to the left side of the production. This is L. So here follow of L dash is follow of L. So what is the follow of L? Close bracket. So this is a way to construct the first and follow. Now let us go for the predictive parsing table. This is also called as LL1 grammar. Now, so let us construct predictive parsing table. Now you can see we are going to construct the predictive parsing table. So in the given values, What are the left side values are there? S, L, L dash. Just you write here S, L, L dash. Then you write the all small letters as well as operators you write here. Now you see open bracket is there. So you write here open bracket here as well as close bracket. Then we write the small a. Then we write the comma. So in addition to this one, we must add something called as dollar. So we are going to construct now predictive parsing table. Now you can see we are going to construct the predictive parsing table. So S tends to L by A. So there are two things, open bracket and A. This open bracket belongs to S tends to L. So this is the, you must take the first values. S tends to L by A. So what are the two values are there for first open bracket and A? This open bracket belongs to S tends to open bracket L close bracket. So that's why we must write here. Now what about this S tends to A? So this is, we can write here. So remember, first of open bracket is open bracket. That's why we have written here. So first of S is open bracket. First of S is A. So second one, L tends to SL dash, open bracket and A. So you must write S tends to SL dash in place of open bracket. Yes, L tends to SL dash in place of small a. So this is called as what we say the construction of predictive parsing table. Now you can see we are going to construct the L dash. L dash tends to comma S L dash. First one is the comma, second one is the epsilon. So when you see L tends to, so what is the value of this one? First value you see here, comma is there. So in place of comma, you must write L dash tends to comma S L dash. Now what about L dash tends to epsilon? So L dash tends to epsilon, it is going to show the epsilon, but you never write the values in epsilon. So when you see the epsilon in the first, you go for follow. So what is the follow of L dash tends to epsilon? This is close bracket. So you write here in place of this close bracket we can write. So this is a close bracket area. L dash tends to epsilon. So this is a way to construct the predictive parsing table. So when you conclude this problem, what is the solution for this one? So remember, construction of LL1 grammar. You need to check is there any left recursion, left factoring. Left recursion means A tends to A alpha by beta. So what the solution is, A tends to beta A dash tends to alpha A dash by epsilon. So if you see the grammar, in the first production there is no left recursion, but in the second production there is a left recursion because A tends to A, L tends to L. So we converted this one into non-left recursion grammar. But if you see left factoring, there is no left factoring according to the given problem. After completion of this one, we must follow the first and follow. How to construct first? S tends to L. S tends to open bracket. So this is called as first. S tends to A. This is called as the first. L tends to S. We should not write capital letters in first. So S we cannot write here. This is S is again open bracket comma. Next L dash tends to comma epsilon. So now we are going to find out the follow. So how to find the follow? Follow of S. When you find the follow of S, you must check where is the right side of capital S. If you see, I have capital S here. Follow of S is first of L dash. Follow of S is first of L dash. First of L dash is comma epsilon. You must substitute comma here. Then you get comma. But if you see substitute epsilon, this will be vanished. Now follow of this L dash is follow of L. So how to construct follow of L again here? In the right side, there is L is there, follow of L is close bracket. So you write close bracket as well as here. Next, dollar will come in the starting production of every LL1 first and follow. So every follow should have dollar. So similarly, we can find the L dash also. So finally, we'll find the predictive parsing table. So all the first values will be filled here. S tends to open L close bracket, open bracket. S tends to L, this is a open bracket. Now S tends to A. So what is the first of this S? This is A. So there are two values. There are one value and two value. S tends to open, L close. You can write here. S tends to A. We can write here. So next, similarly, L tends to SL dash. You can substitute in place of open bracket as well as small a. But if you see L dash tends to comma SL dash epsilon. So there are two things. L dash tends to comma epsilon. You can write in place of comma. L dash tends to epsilon. So you should not write epsilon in place of this first value. What you have to do? You need to go for follow. Okay. So this is the way to construct LL1 grammar. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.